Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to get the most accurate results with Perplexity AI. Let's get started. First, enable the Pro Search if it's available for more depth result from academic journals, trusted websites, and real-time data. It's like upgrading your brain power instantly. And then you can also ask specific and focused questions. So instead of what is a climate change, you can be specific like try how does the climate change affect the agriculture of Southeast Asia in 2024. You need to note that the more details your questions, the more precise the answer. And then you can use the follow up prompt smartly. You got the first answer. You can also ask another. You can provide a recent case studies, or you can ask for list the pros and cons for sources, and this digs deeper into the topic while keeping the context. And also you can use advanced terms or keywords. Using academic or professional phrases gets better data. You can try meta analysis in education or journal reviewed sources on deep deprivation in teens. And then always check the sources. Click on the links by Perplexity. Look for the Edu or Gov or published papers. Don't rely 100% on summaries. You need to verify the key facts if you're doing a serious research. And the bonus hack. Use quotation marks to force exact matches or try sustainable development but with quotation marks for more focused search results. With these hacks, you'll unlock a full power of Perplexity AI and get results that are not just fast but shockingly accurate. Try them now. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.